This is the National Weather Service with a tsunami warning bulletin from the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. A tsunami warning is in effect for the state of Hawaii at 2:43 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. An earthquake occurred at 1:25 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time with a preliminary magnitude of 8.7. Located near 52.2 north latitude, 160.0 east longitude, in the vicinity of the east coast of Kamchatka, Russia. A tsunami has been generated which could cause damage to low-lying coastal areas within the state of Hawaii. Estimated time of the first wave arrival for the state of Hawaii is 7:17 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, Tuesday, July 29, 2025. Further messages will be issued hourly or sooner as conditions warrant until the threat to Hawaii has passed.